This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to track someone's location by their phone number on your iPhone, and this is easy. Now all you have to do is add them as a contact on here. So go to the phone number right here, the phone option, add them as a contact, then go all the way to the right and go to App Library and type in Find My. So type in Find My right here, and I already have it up right here. Now you can see all the different options. Devices, then we can go over to people, and then go to the plus icon, and we can go to share my location, and you can share your location with that person. Now this person does need to have Find My turned on so we can see them and their location, but just type in their name and then you can go to indefinite and you can share your location with them, and you can just go to start sharing my location right there. Otherwise we can just go over to settings, go to your name, go to Find My, and then just make sure Find My is turned on right here. If that's turned on, you can share your location with your friends and your family member, and you can just go to that Find My app, or you can go to iCloud.com, and you should be able to share your location with them specifically under there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.